Let's study about language change and its studies. Language change is a phenomenon studied both by historical linguists and sociolinguists. Historical linguists study basically the change of languages over time, diachronic change, and examine how languages were used in the past and how they relate to one another. For example, starting English is to be called Old English, then it developed until the called Middle English, until today we are going to learn and teach that is modern English. Sociolinguists study the origins or the causes of language changes and explain how society changes in speech communities influence language and generate social acts. For example, Spanish spoken by an upper class man or woman in Madrid and Spanish spoken by working class men or women in Andalusia. Language change is the phenomena whereby phonetic, morphological, semantic, syntactic, and other features of language vary or change over time. Now let's study about the causes, the language change. The first cause is economy. The principle of least effort is one of the basic and most used explanation for many language changes. For example, she plus is equal to she. We plus have plus been is equal to call we have been. Cloth is fifths. Second is analogy, a linguistic process that reduces words which are perceived as irregular by making them similar to other regular forms, is to be called analogy. For example, semantic historically vivid mean print is similar sound with vivid has led to analogical semantic change. Morphological, the verb thrive, thriving is on its way to becoming a regular verb, thrive into past thrived, when we turn into third form thrived. Language contact. Languages come into contact with each other. The most common way that languages influence each other is the exchange of words, especially if there is a gap in the language. For example, sushi from Japan. Or if the dominant language is thought to sound more prestigious. For example, French loans in English in law, crime, judge, or fashion and food. Mirror matter. Language acquisition is another cause, a psycholinguistic explanation related to the generative theory given by Noam Chomsky. Human beings possess an innate faculty for acquiring language. Language acquisition by children is considered the main origin of the language change because the child's inner grammar may differ from the adult's. Yet it has demonstrated the language change is not restricted to language acquisition, but may also occur with adult speakers. Overall social-linguistic explanation and the causes. It is assumed that we can infer how language varies over time if we analyze the linguistic behavior of the different age groups at a certain point in time. William Labov stated that two decisive parameters influence speaker linguistic behavior. Number one, their social class membership and the formality of the situation.